Drink Steam Whistle Pilsner. Our focus is on making one beer, a premium Pilsner that Canadians can be proud of. We believe that world-class results require focus and dedication, so we developed a distinctive recipe for our single brand based on Europe's renowned brewing standards, yet is brewed fresh locally at our independent Canadian brewery located right downtown Toronto. We use traditional brewing techniques and only 4 natural ingredients, including spring water, malted barley, hops, and yeast, all GMO-free. There is a 5th ingredient in every refreshing bottle, and that is the passion of our dedicated brewmaster and staff. To enjoy this great Pilsner, you must travel to 1651 Bloor Street West in Toronto and walk in the front door of The Bar with No Name. That is its name, The Bar with No Name. 1651 Bloor Street West, Toronto. For event listings, visit The Bar with No Name's official website at thebarwithnoname.ca. thebarwithnoname.ca.